Sino pa?
Tita Janice.
Tita Janice, meron ka na?
Let's have some ice cream session, guys and girls. We have here a cheese. Extra creamy cheese.
Iyo. Ano ako?
Ang lambot.
Ang lambot na.
Si Janice, si Janice.
Uwi pala makita namin kayo.
Ayos ka mo nagali. Tuman.
Kami bye-bye.
Ayo.
So, sarado na.
Nagpupuon na. Tansin ba kaya kami? Nagpupuon na.
Makakaharang ka dyan, oh. Doon ka na kaya?
Wala na yung sumama. Yeah. Ano ba?
Guys, don't buy this kind of ice cream. It doesn't taste good. No? Magnolia. Ay! Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you the brand name because just for you to give an advice that don't buy this ice cream because okay, fine. It doesn't taste good at all even though it's creamy cheese. Tastes so salty and I don't know.
Nasa baybay nga.
It feels like it feels like that there's a aftertaste.